Now let us discuss about realization or implementation of full adder using only NAND gates. We know the expressions for the full adder. Sum is equal to A exclusive OR, B exclusive OR, C, where A, B, C are the inputs. Carry is equal to AB plus C into A exclusive OR B. So these two are the expressions for the sum and carry. So now we have to design the logic diagram for the full adder with the help of the NAND gates for the sum and the carry value. So first let us evaluate, let us draw the diagram for A exclusive OR B. So A exclusive OR B is nothing but implementation of full off adder using the NAND gate. For the off adder, the expression for the sum is A exclusive OR B. So we know that we need 4 NAND gates for the sum. So by using those 4 NAND gates, let us implement A exclusive OR B. So here we need 4 NAND gates like this. So this is the first NAND gate. First NAND gate receives input from A and B. Next, we need a structure like this. So this is second NAND gate and this is third NAND gate. So second NAND gate receives input from A and output of the first NAND gate. Next, third NAND gate receives input from B and the output of the first NAND gate. And fourth NAND gate receives input from output of the second NAND gate and output of the third NAND gate. So this fourth NAND gate will produces A exclusive OR B. So first let us see that one. So here this NAND gate, we know NAND gate means AB whole bar. So here the inputs are, so this NAND gate produces AB bar. NAND gate means if the inputs are AB, then the output is AB bar. So this NAND gate inputs are A and AB bar. So the output is A into AB bar whole bar. This is A, this is B, AB whole bar. So this NAND gate receives one input from B and another input from AB bar. So AB whole bar. So first let us see this one. Let us see whether this NAND gate is producing A exclusive OR B or not. So here what is the output? NAND gate means AB whole bar. So what is A here? A means AB bar, and what is B here? B means B into AB bar. So this is B, B AB bar whole bar. This is B. So NAND gate means AB whole bar. Okay. Next, this is in the form of AB whole bar. The formula for the AB whole bar is A bar plus B bar. So A bar means A into A bar bar. So it will gives A into A bar. Next plus bar B bar. So B means B into AB bar bar. Next bar means it produces only this B into AB bar. So A into AB bar means this is de Morgan law. What is the formula? A bar plus B bar. Next B into formula is A bar plus B bar. So A into A bar means A bar 0. Next A into B bar plus B into A bar can be written as A into B. Next B into B bar means 0. So what is the formula here? AB bar plus A bar B. So that is nothing but A exclusive OR B. So this fourth NAND gate is producing what? A exclusive OR B. Okay. But here what is the sum here? C is the sum. Okay. So similar structure we need to follow here. One input will be received from A exclusive OR B and next input will be received from the C. Similar structure we need to follow. So totally we have to draw 4 NAND gates. So this is the first NAND gate. Next to second NAND gate. Third NAND gate. Fourth NAND gate. Similar structure we need to follow. Okay. So first NAND gate receives input from A exclusive OR B as well as C. Next, this NAND gate receives input from similar to this one only. So A exclusive OR B. Next input from output of this first NAND gate. Next, this NAND gate receives input from A exclusive OR B as well as output of this NAND gate. Output of this NAND gate. Okay. Next, this NAND gate receives input from this NAND gate as well as this NAND gate. So it will produces A exclusive OR B exclusive OR C. So this is the expression for the sum. Okay. So now let us see here what is the output of this NAND gate. This NAND gate will produces AB bar as the input. AB whole bar as the input. Here what is the first input? A exclusive or B is the first input. Whereas what is the second input? C is the second input. Bar. So this is A, this is B, this is B, AB whole bar. Okay. Now sum is over. Now we have to draw the carry. What is the formula for carry? AB plus C into A exclusive or B. Here this NAND gate is producing AB bar as the output, whereas this NAND gate is producing this is what? This is A exclusive or B. This is A exclusive or B. A exclusive or B into C bar as the input. So if we supply those two as the inputs to the another NAND gate, then it will produce as the output. Okay. So we have to pass this input AB whole bar as well as this A exclusive or B. A exclusive or B into C bar as the input to the another NAND gate. So this will produce as the carry. So let's check whether it is producing the carry or not. We know the formula for the NAND operation, AB whole bar. So here what is A? A means A exclusive or B into C. This is bar. So this is A into what is B? B means C. B means what? What is the second input? Second input is AB bar. Second input is AB bar. So this is A value, this is B value. So NAND gate means AB whole bar. So AB whole bar means it will produces A bar plus B bar as the input. So now what is A here? A means A bar. What is AB bar? AB bar means A bar plus B bar. A bar plus B bar. Okay. We know the formula. AB bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Okay. So here what is A? A means A exclusive or B into C. This is A. Next A bar. So we have to write bar here. Plus what is B bar? What is B here? B means AB bar. This is B. Next whole bar. Okay. So A bar whole bar is equal to A. So it will produces A exclusive or B into C plus AB bar is nothing but A. So this is nothing but our carry. What is the carry? AB. AB plus A exclusive or B into C. So in this way, we can implement fully adder using the NAND gates. So how many NAND gates are required? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 NAND gates. So for this structure 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus for the carry 1, 9. So totally we require 9 NAND gates in order to implement fully adder.